So there's another update at long last, but it's not the update that I was hoping. Well, I don't think so anyway. So I just checked my DJI Fly App on my phone tonight, and I've got a new update, and it's 1.19.4, and what's new, I'm gonna not read out the whole thing, but it's adds support for viewing real-time video transmission, aircraft battery level, using the voice control, flight tasks with aircraft operated via Wi-Fi, paired with the Apple Watch, supported aircraft mode for the DJI Neo 2, the DJI Flip and the DJI Neo. And it supported the Apple Watch Series 8 and above. And then it's got underneath, as always, fix certain issues and optimize the overall app quality. So that was the first thing. So I updated that. I thought, I better check my controllers. So I turned on my RC2 controller. I got this coming up, and that's just going through an update now. Now that has taken quite a while, and that's still going through the process. Whereas this one, the RC Pro 2, was pretty quick. Just another update. I'll put that there as well. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put on my Mini 5 Pro first and just see what other update it is. I'm hoping there is a big update on the Mini 5 Pro, but I don't think so. I think it's more to do with this Apple Watch that I haven't even got. And also, it's dark outside, so I can't even go out and check all this. But I thought I'd just put it up first, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. But I'm just waiting for my RC2 to finish this update. I did also hear that the Neo 2's got an update, but as I haven't got my Neo 2 at the moment, it's DJI being checked out over a software issue, which hopefully I will get back next week. But if any of you guys out there has got the Neo 2, especially you, Andy, because I know you got one, let me know if is there an update for it, because obviously there's one for this, one for that. But I did hear that there's an update for the Neo 2, but I can't be 100% sure on that. So if you can, you let me know, but also it helps others as well. So the controller is fully updated now. I'm going to turn on the Mini 5 Pro first and just see what happens to the controller itself, because at the moment it's saying connect, but I think once the drone comes on, hopefully it'll click in. So I'm just going to go into settings mode. I'll just have a quick flick through to see if anything's changed from what I've been doing the past week. And I can see there nothing. Anyway, the new app version is on. I'll just check for firmware on the drone, because somebody else said that there was an update on the drone, but I don't think there was. Oh, there was. Okay. So on this new update, which I will put there, guys, added support for the propeller guard, which I haven't got. Optimized low battery strategy, whatever that's about, and obviously fixed known issues. So have they fixed the spotlight issue? That would be fantastic if that's true. Okay, so this could take a while. So while that's going on, not to confuse matters, I'm going to turn on my RC Pro 2 and just going to move the drone over there a minute, and I'm going to put on my biggie just to see if there's anything going on with the Mavic 4 Pro, because I wasn't expecting that. I just thought it was just this to do with the watch, but obviously not. So I need a bigger table. That's what I need. Bigger table. Okay, so nothing's come up on the screen yet. I'm just going to go into settings on here. I've got a red dot on the about. I think looking at that, there's an update. It's saying there's an update available on my Mavic 4 Pro. Okay, and this is So I think people have been having issues with their batteries lately. So I'm going to do that as well. And it says on this one, it actually says it's going to take 10 minutes. Right guys, I'm going to finish the video here now anyway, because I can't go out and check this because it's too dark. But I will go out tomorrow and we'll see if anything's changed. Hoping that this one's changed, definitely. I mean, as far as I know, on the Mavic 4 Pro, I've had no problems with it. But this one, definitely with the spotlight, there's been a few issues of that, and there's a few other niggly little things. So, let me know if you noticed the update, and you haven't even done the update. That'd be fantastic. Just let me know what's going on. Yeah, like I said, I won't be back until at least, it's going to be well over 12 hours, guys, because it's just dark here, it's coming late. But yeah, a new update. I'm just hoping that this is the update that we've been waiting for the Mini 5 Pro. But as always, there's going to be another video coming very sooner.